choosing between a manual breast pump and an electric breast pump, consider your breastfeeding needs. Manual pumps require hand operation and may be quieter and more affordable. Electric pumps offer faster and more consistent suction. Before pumping, ensure the flange fits correctly. Incorrect sizing can affect milk output and cause nipple discomfort. During manual pumping, rhythm and hand pressure determine milk flow. With electric pumping, adjustable suction and cycle speed simulate a baby's nursing pattern. After several sessions, many mothers notice that electric pumps may express milk more quickly, especially for working mothers who pump regularly. Manual pumps, however, provide control and portability. Both types effectively support breastfeeding and milk supply when used consistently. The after result depends more on frequency and comfort than on pump type alone.